How to add default tags for your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you want to add default tags for the YouTube videos that you upload in your YouTube channel, then this video is for you. So basically it includes that you add some default tags so that whenever you upload any video, they will be automatically present over there. This is especially helpful if you upload the content of the same genre and some of the tags are repetitive. So it is very tedious that you copy paste those tags or write them manually for each and every video. So what you can do instead is follow this video. So the first thing we need to do is head on to the YouTube studio. So to do this, click onto the profile icon at the top right of your YouTube account and then choose the YouTube studio option. This will lead you to the YouTube studio website. Now from here, click onto the settings option at the bottom left and from here choose upload defaults. Now in this page you need to scroll down and you can see the tags. Now you need to add those tags which are always relevant to your YouTube videos and that you upload in almost every video. So for example, let me add some default tags like and you can separate your tags with a comma so that they will appear as a separate tag. So now once you have added these tags, so for example I have added these 4 tags, what I can do is simply click onto the save button. And once I will do this, I can receive a message which says settings saved. So now let us try to upload any video and see if this worked or not. So to do this, I will click onto the upload video button and choose any file. So for example, let's say this one. Then I will open it and here you can see that it is currently being uploaded. Now if I scroll down and click onto the show more button and keep on scrolling, I can see the 4 tags that I have added appear by default. So that's how easy it is to set default tags for your YouTube videos in your YouTube channel. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments if you have any ideas or questions and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.